So the first supplement I'm going to talk about is whey protein. Now, the benefits of whey protein are many, and a few in particular that I want to highlight are: first, it's easy to consume after a workout when your body needs protein the most. It's fast digesting, and so it goes straight to your muscles. Second, it can be a cheaper protein option as opposed to meats. For some people, it's economical. Now, when you're at the store looking for what kind of whey protein to buy, I recommend that you look for a brand that has minimal sugar and fat content. You want to also look for around 70 to 80% protein per gram of powder. So for example, if one scoop, you're looking at the nutrition label, if one scoop is about 30 grams, you're looking for between 21 to 24 grams of pure protein per scoop. That's about 70 to 80% protein per gram of powder. Now finally, how to take it. I recommend that you consume one scoop along with some simple carbs such as fruits, like in a shake, ideally within 15 to 30 minutes after your workout. Whey protein can also be a great snack or staple to go along with a meal to ensure that you get adequate protein intake throughout the day.